Hi, good morning everyone. Our today topic is transpose matrix. So how we transpose the matrix? Basically, what is the transpose? If you interchange the rows and column in the matrix, so that we consider as transpose of a matrix. Like in the by definition part, the matrix obtained from any given matrix, like any matrix like E, by interchanging its rows and columns. Because if you interchange any matrix rows and column, so that we call it a transpose of matrix. Suppose I have this matrix E. So in this element like 3 5 7 minus 1 0 2 4 6 1. So if I go with the transpose, I then can consider as complement sign, or I can consider T. So any symbol I can follow. So that means I'm going to change this column with the row, this column with the second row, and this third column with the third row, like this. So if I have a transpose, after transposing, if I mark it here like this, so that means I have to go with the transposition. So this meaning is this matrix has complement sign or T sign, but when you remove that sign, so all rows columns will be interchanged. So if I write it here, first I will write it here 3 5 7 minus 1 0 2 4 6 1, and this complement or T, or I just as a write as a optional, so you can use any symbol. So instead of T, I am using this symbol as complement. Okay, so after removing this sign, so what will be my matrix? When I remove this sign, so my matrix will be 3 minus 1 4. First column changes to first row, second column changes to second row, and third column changes to third row. That we call it a transpose of matrix. So there is some properties is there, properties of transpose of a matrix, properties of transpose matrix. So my first property in this case is, if I have any matrix, if I go with the double transpose of that matrix, so my answer will be original matrix. If I have a matrix with the negative sign, like all element is the negative, and I want to do transpose, that is same as if I take negative sign common and then transpose the matrix. If I have addition of two matrix and after that transpose, mean changing rows and columns, so I can individually transpose first and add them later. That is the same thing. So next is same cases in the subtraction also. If you first subtract the two matrices and then transpose, so instead of this, you can individually take the transpose of this and subtract after that in the same order, whatever written in this order. But if you multiply any two matrix and after that transpose, that is not same as like first matrix A transpose and B transpose. So it will be opposite to that. That means whatever second matrix will be there, that comes in the first position, and first matrix will be second position. After transpose, you have to multiply. If you multiply first two matrices then transpose, that is same exactly equal to if you multiply before multiply you transpose each matrix, but second matrix will be in the first position and first matrix will be in the second position. Last property is, if you multiply any matrix with the scalar number, like any common number, so that will be same as you take that number common and then transpose the matrix. So that is a same thing. Now look at the one example how we can solve with the transpose of matrix. Suppose I have a question. I have two matrix here like 2 3 4 5 7 9 minus 2 1 1. or my second matrix is 4 0 5 1 2 0 and 0 3 1. So I want to verify that if EB transpose is equal to B transpose E transpose or not. I have to verify this. So what I will do, first I will multiply this A and B. So if I multiply this A and B, so first I try to multiply with this A and B. So this is 3 by 3 matrix and this is also 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows 3 columns. That will be whatever my resultant matrix will be here, that will also be my 3 by 3 matrix. So whatever resultant matrix will be here, 3 by 3, that means 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So that will be also my 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, now I have to multiply. Like this position is first row first column, that means first row and first column will be multiplied. So I will get 8 plus 3. So here I will get 8 plus 3 plus 0. Similarly, first row and second column, when I multiply, I will get 0 plus 6 plus 12. So now first row, third column. So when I multiply this, I get 10 plus 0 plus 4. Similarly, second row, first column. When I multiply, I will get 20 plus 7 plus 0. And second row, second column, 0 plus 14 plus 27, like second row and second column. Now second row, third column, that is the position of second row and third column. So that is 25 plus 0 plus 9. Now third row, first column. Third row, first column gives me minus 8 plus 1, because this is my position is, this is 1. So this is positive 1. This is not negative 1. Okay, so this is 1. 1 into 1 gives me 1 minus 8 plus 1 plus 0. So next, this one, third row, second column. So that gives me 0 plus 2 plus 3. Now third row, third column. Third row and third column is multiplied, that is minus 10 plus 0 plus 1. So that is after multiplication. So what I will get the answer here, EB is by adding 11, 18, that will be 14, 27, 41, 34, minus 7, 5 and minus 9. Okay, now you have to go with the transpose of this. So if I go with the transpose of this, first I will write this way, 11, 18, 14, 27, 41, 34, minus 7, 5, minus 9. First I will mark this as complement sign. After removing complement sign, my row column will be interchanged. So what it will be, like 11, 18, 14. That means first row, or you can either consider as first column will be considered as your first row, and second column is the second row, and third column is the third row. After transposing, when you are removing this sign. Now next, this was our left hand side. Now we verify with the right hand side. Right hand side said that first you transpose, then multiply. So if I go with B complement and E complement, like transpose of this, I can directly, I'm writing the complement. So here 405, 120 and 031. So I can I'm going to change directly here, 410, 023 and 501. Here also in the second case, 25 minus 2, then 371 and 491. So now I multiply same way, which way I multiply the above two matrices. Then B transpose and E transpose. So first will be, gives me 8 plus 3 plus 0. So that gives me 20. So first row, second column, 20 plus 7 plus 0. And first row, third column gives me minus 8 plus 1 plus 0, because I multiply this first row, third column. So now second row with first column, second row with second column, and second row with third column according to the position. So that gives me 0 plus 6 plus 12, 0 plus 14 plus 27, then 0 plus 2 plus 3. So here now third row with first, second and third column according to the position. So that give me 10 plus 0 plus 4, 25 plus 0 plus 9, and here 501 when multiplied by this column, so that give me minus 10 plus 0 plus 1. So now I will check what is my answer here. So that give me 11, 27 minus 7, 18, 14 plus 27 is 41, 5, then here 10 plus 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So 25 plus 9 is 34, and minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. So that is exactly same as this. If you multiply first and then transpose, that is exactly same as first you transpose then multiply. Thank you.